Alrighty, Happy New Year folks. Today we're going to be making a classic Hoppin Johns. First we're going to be taking 12 ounces of thick sliced bacon cut into pieces, cooking them until nicely brown and remove. Now we're going to be adding in a holy trinity, green bell peppers, onion, garlic, carrots, also a little bit of celery. Cook all this till translucent just like so. Now adding in 1 pound of smoked tasso ham. Give this a nice mix so everything is combined. Next, adding in Cajun seasoning, salt and pepper to taste. Very nice. Now into our chicken stock, adding in 6 cups, 3 sprigs of thyme, 1 bay leaf goes right in. Next, we're going to be adding in our 1 pound of black-eyed peas that we have soaked overnight. Perfect. Now we're going to cover this and simmer for 40 minutes. Once this is ready to go, we'll be adding in 2 cups of long grain rice, 3 cups of chopped collard greens goes right in, cooking this for an additional 20 minutes till all the water has been absorbed. Very nice. Now we're going to be removing our thyme and our bay leaf and then adding in our crispy bacon right on top. Amazing. And there we have it, an amazing Hoppin John for New Year's. As always, please do like, subscribe, follow for future recipes. And I hope you have a good day now, you hear? Bye-bye!